Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So I actually want to do this for quite some time now, and it's basically kind of doing my contour in reverse. So, you know, putting the contour first before the foundation. I usually put the foundation first and then the contour, not usually the other way around. So I wanted to try that out for a while. So I finally got some time where I can, you know, just test this out, see what the whole hype is about, because it works for some, doesn't work for others, but I'm pretty sure it's down to technique and how you apply it and what you use. So before we get started with the video and trying this out, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, ring that bell so you're notified when I do upload a new video, and don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you tried this, you liked it, or even give a thumbs up if you didn't like it. You know, just the fact that I tried this out, and don't forget to follow me on my social media handle right there, and let's get started with the video. Okay, so first of all, I am going to tie up my hair because tomorrow is a hair day, so I don't really care what my hair looks like. So we will do that. Also, I ordered those creaseless clips off of Amazon. There was a certain one that I really liked, and I am kind of excited for it to come because it looks so cute. But we're gonna see if it's actually creaseless or not, but I do definitely love the design, so we will check that out. All right, I'm just gonna give it to tie twice. Hopefully they'll keep my bangs out of the way. So how I'm gonna go ahead with this is that I'm gonna put on my primer. I've done my skincare already. And I'm not gonna use any stick foundation for this because I feel that if I'm gonna use stick foundation, it's gonna get all muddy. So I'm gonna stick with liquid. And also I feel that the lighter coverage the foundation, the better it would work. I don't think full coverage will really work that well because it's just gonna, you know, cover it, right? There's no point. But I think there's a way to kind of like use the full coverage foundation and still have the contour peek through. So I'm gonna use medium coverage foundation and full coverage. I'm not gonna really care about the color too much really because I'm not going out anywhere. So I'm just gonna see in terms of technique and, you know, see which one works the best. The medium coverage foundation, I'm just gonna go over the actual contour, while the fuller coverage, I'm not gonna go over too much. Maybe not. I'll see how it is along the way, because I just feel like if you're gonna do your contour and then use a full coverage foundation, it's just gonna lose the whole purpose of it, right? Like I don't know, but we shall see. So let me just use my usual primer, and yeah. And also, in addition, I'm not really gonna go in with my Catrice. I'm just gonna test out the technique. I felt like if you contour first, it's like counterproductive because you're just gonna go back anyways to kind of contour. So what was the point of contouring and then covering it with the foundation just to contour again, you know? Like it didn't make any sense. I got two different foundations right here. I'm gonna go with my cold favorite Luminous Silk. This is a medium coverage foundation, and I'm gonna go with Guerlain, the L'Essential High Perfection 24-hour wear. So this is a full coverage. I'm gonna look a little bit crazy because obviously we got two different colors, but also at the same time, it might be a little bit easier to differentiate the difference between the two in terms of colors, like what's doing what. So we gotta contour first. So I'm gonna grab my trusted Westman Atelier and contour. All right, I'm kind of scared how this is going to look, but we're gonna go with it. So, okay, I'm going to, oh boy, this feels so unnatural to me. Like, you guys have no idea how weird this feels. We might as well connect this and see how it is. I'm not gonna do my jawline because it's not like you guys are gonna see anyways. This is mainly focusing around here, you know, where we usually contour. So I am gonna go in with Luminous Silk. I'm gonna do a pump of that. I'm gonna use my Anissa beauty brush, and I guess we shall see if you know, if this works out well. Oh boy, okay, let's go. I mean, it blended out quite nicely. Okay, so I'm not going to put the foundation directly above the contour. Or maybe I should. What my fear when I'm blending my foundation with my contour is that the contour will also be on the bristles, and when I'm blending everything out is that it's gonna make me look like a little darker than I actually am. So that was like my fear why I don't do it. So with a medium coverage foundation, looking at the mirror, it's actually looking quite nice, I will admit. But I mean, I don't hate it, but this still wouldn't be my go-to technique. I feel like when I put the foundation over the contour, it's like, yes, it's blending it out at the same time, but it kind of, I feel like it may be looking a little bit muddy. I typically like to control how my contour is placed. Like, because I'm blending foundation over it, there's no control there. It's just like covering over, if that makes any sense. Like, on camera, it doesn't look too bad, but it's just for personal preference. Yeah, I don't hate it, but I don't love it. All right, so moving along to the full coverage foundation. Now, I don't know if I should tackle this in like a way where I should go over it. Maybe I should go over the contour with the foundation, and when I reach around here, I can like use whatever's left and kind of help blend out this instead. So I'm going in with the Sigma F80 Kabuki brush, and you can definitely see a difference there. First things first, full coverage foundations do not work on this technique whatsoever. It completely just covered up the contour, like completely. Okay, maybe I'll use whatever's left and kind of like buff it in. But doing it this way, it's like I'm just speaking out loud, like I'm using a foundation to kind of make the contour look lighter, but if I'm using a full coverage foundation, it's not gonna work the same. And also I'm mixing two different colors, so it's gonna look a little weird. Yeah, I mean, that looks nice, but in my opinion, I feel like, again, if I'm gonna blend out my foundation with my contour at the same time, obviously the contour is darker. It's gonna pick up on the bristles, and when I blend everything out, it's gonna make my face darker, right? Like, is it just me, or like, am I the only one that thinks this way, or like what? I definitely still prefer the medium coverage side if I had to choose, but oh my god, that two different colors, oh my god. Yeah, if I had to choose, I would go with the medium coverage side more than the full coverage side. Just the thought of the darker like the contour on like mixed with my foundation, and next thing I'm doing like this business, like I just feel like my color is not my true color because it's mixed with the contour. So in my opinion, I don't really like it. I feel like it could make your contour look muddy if you don't know what you're doing. And I feel that if you want a nice contour and more control, you should do it on a separate process, if that makes any sense. Like, if you do your contour first, I say blend that out first and then go with the foundation. Me, like I said, I like to do my contour after the foundation so I have more control, and because there's already foundation on the brush that has my color that's not mixed with anything, I can kind of like buff it in a little bit because the contour has already been blended and it's not just a stick right there. So like I said, I personally don't like this technique. I figured I'd give it a shot just to say I did it, I tried it. Like, if I liked the technique, I would continue to use it, but I do not. So yeah, I'm not gonna do this technique again. So anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this sweet short video, like trying out to do my contour first, then the foundation. Again, I personally don't like it, but that's just me. But again, I hope you guys enjoy the video regardless, and before you leave, make sure you check out these other two videos right here if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!